Are you tired of hype-driven investments and outdated tech? Well, don't worry, because 2025's most resilient crypto project is here. Nexchain combines real AI utility, post-quantum security, and smart tokenomics to outpace today's market chaos. Don't miss this opportunity. And please always remember, folks, these videos are not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing, guys, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But if you do want to get involved with any of the content in today's video, like including the pre-sale, things like that, and Nexchain, then the links to do that will be at the very top of the description of this video and in the pinned comments. Let's get into it. All right, folks. So the first thing I'd say about Nexchain.ai is that the UI is very, very nice, seamless, and looks pretty easy to use, guys. As you would have seen on previous videos, guys, joining the actual pre-sale is pretty easy. And look, guys, they've already raised a whopping almost 5 milli, guys. Look at this. 4,745,881 USD and currently in stage 19. Very easy, guys. If you want to join the pre-sale, hit join pre-sale button. You're then going to get prompted to connect your MetaMask hot wallet. Make sure you got some crypto on there, guys, some ETH to actually fund that for the gas fees, and you can easily swap that Ethereum over for some Next token, which you can currently get at 0.074 per one Next, guys. So let's just talk a little bit about why you may want to get involved in this pre-sale and just get involved in this project in general. So again, like I'll repeat myself, guys, the actual amount they've raised, almost 5 million in a real short time, is very, very impressive, guys. So what are they actually doing, guys, about solving real investment market problems, guys? So what is it? What is Nexchain essentially, guys? In a volatile investment environment plagued by inflated valuations, rapid tech obsolescence, and under-delivering platforms, guys, Nexchain is essentially introducing a blockchain infrastructure that is both adaptable and intelligent, guys. It essentially integrates, guys, AI to improve scalability, security, and governance, guys, solving core inefficiencies that make most investment platforms, guys, high risk and short-lived. All right, folks, guys, so now we're going to be moving on to talking about its sustainable tokenomics and strategic pre-sale, guys. So as you can see, guys, powered by Google Cloud, NVIDIA, Wallet Connect, OpenAI, Amazon Visa Curve, and DALI, guys. Very, very impressive indeed, guys. So as we kind of had a look at before, guys, the pre-sale price sitting at 0.07 cents, guys, and the listing price is projected to be at 0.30, so 30 cents, guys. So very, very impressive there. The fundraising goal, guys, the ultimate goal is 90.6 million. That'll be 32% of the total supply, guys. And essentially from there, guys, you've got your token utility being, as we did discuss before, guys, the staking, the governance, and also the transaction fees as well. And in terms of the actual long-term value for Next, guys, it's an inflationary supply. So exactly the same as Bitcoin. Actually, even better than Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a capped supply at 21 million BTC. This is actually inflationary, guys, okay, with annual burn to manage circulating tokens and support the healthy growth. So fantastic to see that they actually do have that burn mechanism in place. Extremely important, in my opinion, guys. That's why the traditional US dollar just doesn't really work long term. That's why you have inflation, because it's not a deflationary model at all, guys. And folks, just to touch on a quick overview again, guys, I know I mentioned that it's really easy to actually join up with this pre-sale, guys, but it actually has a section right on the homepage about how to participate, guys. So you visit the official site, which is right there, guys, dashboard.nexchain.ai, guys. You click on that, you connect your wallet here, guys. You choose your payment currency, okay, so either BTC, ETH, USDT, etc. Probably just keep it simple, load ETH on there, pay with ETH, keep ETH on there for the gas fees, guys. And then it's as simple as confirming and completing your purchase, guys. Very, very easy. Alrighty, guys, so moving on to the actual Nexchain roadmap, guys. So roadmap is extremely important, and it's good to see what they have completed, guys. Q4 2024, okay, and Q1 2025 has just been completed, guys. So in terms of Q1 2025, guys, the smart contract audit, expansion of influencer and media relations, launching a market campaign to promote the project, announcement of public C-level team, active expansion of the Nexchain community with AMA sessions and social media, and creating building and launching the website, which is very, very good to see there, guys, as well. So, guys, in terms of Q2, what do we got going on, guys? This is currently where we are at, guys, at testnet POC implementation. They've defined architectural components of Nexchain's EVM extension and the spin-off public development of Nexchain within GitHub organization with public profiles for Nexchain engineers. And what they're currently got coming up now, guys, is configure and customize blockchain indexer to fit Nexchain EVM extensions, design architectural patterns for AI integrations into indexer, guys. So, quite technical, okay? Maybe your average Joe is not going to understand this, but really, really good to see that they have actually gone in and put that extra work in from the developer side, actually bringing it to the surface and not just keeping it all behind the curtain. And then in terms of Q4 2025, got some exciting work coming up, guys, and going into Q1 of 2026 as well, guys. Got the AI Oracle integration similar to Chainlink, so that's going to be very interesting to see as well when that comes to life. The cross-chain infrastructure, which is very important as well, the mainnet launch, and the public beta. And guys, just talking in terms of its resilient technology architecture, guys, Nex is built to succeed, guys, with its AI-enhanced smart contracts for self-optimization, its DAG and sharding to ensure high throughput, its post-quantum cryptography, guys, for long-term asset security, and as we kind of discussed before, guys, the cross-chain bridge and AI Oracle Network, AION, for scalable interoperability, guys. Okay, folks, so we also have the actual airdrop here for Nexchain, which is something that you are going to definitely have to get involved in. So it's $5 million worth in Nex coins, which are essentially up for grabs. And all you have to do is simply engage with the ecosystem. So as you can see, all of the information is readily made available here. So essentially, guys, the airdrop's got a leaderboard there. There's quests with on and off-chain socials, folks. You've got your plus 50% bonus on purchases during pre-sale. And there's also instant referral rewards paid out in USDT, which is absolutely fantastic. You've also got some weekly quests and grand leaderboard campaigns as well. Folks, this is for a limited time only, okay? This is running until August 8th, so make sure you get involved. There's no need to enter the promo code, okay? Referral payouts without delays are going to be administered, and early movers, guys, of course, will be benefiting the most. So as you can see as well, just to break it down simply so there is no confusion, you will be able to join with these 3 simple steps. Connect your wallet first, all right? So link your wallet to enter the airdrop and start tracking your on-chain progress. So that's going to be your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you got a bit of ETH on there for gas. Then go ahead and complete quests. Take on weekly challenges, earn points, and discover Nexchain as you level up. And as simple as that, folks, you just climb and win. Climb the leaderboard and unlock weekly and grand prizes at the end of the campaign. So that's it for today's video talking about Nexchain, guys. If you do want to check out this project, get involved in the pre-sale, guys, then make sure you click at the link at the very top of the description of this video and also at the top of the pinned comments to get involved. And make sure you always do your own research before investing. These videos are not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor, and never invest more than you can afford to lose, guys. So from wherever you're watching from in the world, have a great one, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.